Muzata. Bring your dream home to life. Passionate about enhancing living spaces with inspiration. As a leading home improvement brand, Muzata specializing in modern railing systems, floating stairs, and LED products for residential and commercial spaces. Cable railing is more than just a fence. It embodies a yearning for freedom. Compared to traditional railings, it enhances safety while maintaining an unobstructed, expansive view. Floating stairs feature an open design that effectively conserves indoor space, while elevating the overall aesthetic. We aim to create not just a safe home, but a warm and joyful one. LED products infuse vitality into every corner, adding new colors to the home. Through technology and innovation, we deliver top-quality, design-focused, cost-effective products. We provide a one-stop solution, offering free design services, personalized quotes, detailed shopping lists, and installation guides. Until now, we've helped users with over 100,000 projects, supported by over 130 patents, and served millions of customers across countries and regions. Our products are not just home decor, but also an expression of passion and creativity, bringing added safety and joy to households. Muzata. Build an easy life.